Hello everyone, welcome to another Payoneer tutorial video. Actually today we are basically viewing a best Payoneer alternative in 2023. Now by far, as you can see, with Payoneer you can basically receive money to your USA account, Japan account, UK account. You can get paid in multiple currencies. You can do a lot of different things. But what I would really do is, if I were you, if I'm using Payoneer and if I want to get the best alternative out there, I would definitely use Wise. As you can see, I'm using Wise right now for myself. And with Wise, you can add your account anywhere you want. And you can add as many accounts as you have right here, right? I can add a US dollar account or a Romanian account, or I can add a New Zealand dollar account, right? And if I go here to basically USA account, right? What I can do is I can go here, current USA account details, and I can see all my details, and I can basically connect these details to, ClickBank or any other basically, let's say Fiverr, because, with Wise, you will have bank accounts in multiple countries just by owning a Wise account. So I have, a couple of bank accounts here in Canada, in Australia, in UK, right? In USA, in Romania, right? So you can create accounts and you can open currencies, and which is really great, right? Because you're really flexible and they have a better support system than Revolut. So, and then Payoneer, obviously. So that's basically what I would recommend if I want the best Payoneer alternative in 2023. Obviously, there are two alternatives. There are Wise and Revolut, but I would definitely use Wise as a much better, or I would say wiser alternative than Payoneer. So yeah, that's basically my overview on it. Obviously, leave a like down below, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.